Hey Firewall fans, today we're pitting OpnSense against IPFire to see which open source firewall suits your needs. First up, we have OpnSense. Built on FreeBSD, OpnSense is a powerful firewall and routing platform. It's known for its modern, user-friendly interface and frequent updates. Key features include intrusion detection, VPN support like IPsec and OpenVPN, traffic shaping, and plugins like ZenArmor for advanced security. It's great for small to medium businesses or tech-savvy home users who want flexibility and robust network analytics. Now, IPFire. This Linux-based firewall focuses on simplicity and security. It's super lightweight, making it ideal for older hardware or resource-constrained setups. IPFire offers stateful packet inspection, VPNs like WireGuard, intrusion prevention, and a clean web interface. It's perfect for users prioritizing cybersecurity with minimal configuration hassle, especially in small networks or home labs. So, how do they stack up? OpnSense shines with its extensive feature set and modern GUI, making it better for complex setups like businesses needing routing, analytics, or plugin integrations. But it's resource heavy, so you'll need decent hardware. IPFire, on the other hand, is leaner and easier to set up, ideal for simple security-focused networks or low-powered devices. However, it lacks some of OpnSense's advanced routing and plugin options. Which one's better? Choose OpnSense for feature-rich business-grade networks. Go with IPFire for lightweight, secure, plug-and-play firewalls. It depends on your needs. Check out our chart below for a quick breakdown, and that's it. Like and subscribe for more tech showdowns. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your firewall pick? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.